Here's how you can cancel Netflix auto payment. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can cancel Netflix auto payment. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So here, as you can see, I'm on my desktop right now. What you need to do is just basically go to your web browser. This can't be done inside the app. So the tutorial is pretty much the same for both devices, like on phone and PC. You could pretty much do this on all of your devices, like Android device or Apple devices or any device that you're using. Is pretty much all the same. So what you can do is basically go to your browser first of all. So I'm using Google Chrome for this video. You just need to open up Google Chrome, and then once you're here, what you need to do is just basically type in um, www.netflix.com/account. You need to put in the account to directly go inside the settings. Just press enter, and here, as you can see, it will bring you over here. But if you haven't logged in into Netflix account, it will ask you to log in. So you just log in and it will directly bring you right over here. So once you do this, you just gotta press on manage membership right over here, right next to premium plan. You just gotta press on it, and here it will show you your plan and everything. But you just gotta press on cancel membership, and you'll directly cancel auto payment, and it won't cut any money for your next subscription or like in the next month. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can cancel auto payment on Netflix. So I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.